Every day, millions of loaves begin their journey right here. Today, we're going inside a state-of-the-art bread factory to see how grain becomes your daily loaf.
Welcome to my bakery factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how bread is made, from grain to loaf, step by step.
Let's begin right where it all starts, with the grain itself.
From towering grain silos to high-speed ovens, every step is...
Watch closely as we follow Bredel's journey from grain to loaf. Shipments of wheat arrive from selected farms, checked for quality at the door.
The grain is stored in temperature-controlled silos to keep it fresh until milling.
Each batch is tested for moisture, protein content, and purity.
Digital sensors continuously track quality, adjusting the process in real time.
Powerful cleaners remove dust, husks, and small stones before milling. Next, the cleaned wheat is milled to produce high-quality flour.
Multiple passes refine the flour to the exact texture required. Alongside flour, carefully measured ingredients are prepared for each recipe.
Precision scales ensure exact quantities, down to the gram, for consistent dough. Yeast brings the dough to life, carefully controlled for flavor and rise.
Even water temperature is controlled to within a degree for ideal dough development.
Automated feeders deliver every ingredient directly into the mixing bowls. Here, precise recipes are transformed into smooth, elastic dough.
Intelligent mixers track dough temperature and texture in real time.
Temperature control is critical to the dough's final texture.
From this control room, operators monitor every batch for consistency.
Even tiny adjustments are recorded and repeated for exact replication.
Every piece is identical in weight, so each loaf bakes evenly.
Skilled workers still rely on touch to confirm dough quality.
Shaping machines fold the dough into loaves with the same technique bakers use by hand.
Robotic arms ensure each loaf enters the oven in the perfect position.
In the final proof, dough rises to its full volume before baking.
Yeast releases gas, creating the soft, airy crumb inside each loaf.
Once proofed, the dough heads into the heart of the process, the oven.
High heat triggers the Maillard reaction, creating color, flavor, and aroma.
Sensors inside the oven ensure every loaf bakes evenly from edge to center.
As the loaves leave the oven, they're still extremely hot and need time to cool.
Cooling towers bring loaf temperature down gradually without drying the bread. Once cooled, loaves move to slicing and packaging. Bagging machines can wrap hundreds of loaves a minute. Every loaf is traceable by date and batch for safety and quality.
Random checks on the line make sure every pack looks and feels right.
Shrink wrapping stabilizes the load for safe transport and storage. Before leaving the factory, loaves undergo strict quality checks. Micro batches in a test lab fine-tune recipes and baking conditions.
Taste and aroma tests ensure the bread meets consumer expectations.
If anything is out of spec, it's automatically removed from the line.
From here, the bread is shipped to supermarkets, bakeries, and restaurants.
Within hours of baking, loaves are on their way to shelves near you.
And that's how our bread is made, and from grain to loaf, start to finish.
From simple grains to the bread on your table, every step is carefully controlled.